any script you can use, --. Welcome to FKI Phone. Today we are diving into a classic reborn, the Nokia E90 of 2025. Nokia has brought back one of its most iconic devices, but with a full modern twist and some serious upgrades that might surprise you. Starting off with the features, the new Nokia E90 is packed with everything you would expect from a flagship in 2025. It runs on the latest Snapdragon processor, delivering seamless performance even when you push it to the limit. The phone offers a foldable dual display setup. On the outside you get a compact screen for quick tasks and notifications. Open it up and you are greeted by a wide internal display that is perfect for multitasking, watching videos or typing long emails. Yes, you heard that right, the full QWERTY keyboard is back, but now it is touch sensitive and customizable, so you can switch between typing styles easily. The Nokia E90 also features a powerful camera setup. You get a high-resolution main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and even a periscope zoom for those detailed shots from a distance. Nokia has included advanced AI enhancements to make sure your photos always look professional. For those who love audio, the E90 comes with stereo speakers tuned by Zeiss, providing rich and clear sound. Battery life is another highlight, with a massive battery that easily lasts a full day even with heavy use. Fast charging and wireless charging support make sure you are always powered up and ready to go. Moving on to the exterior design, Nokia has done a fantastic job of keeping the spirit of the original E90 alive while making it fit perfectly into 2025. The new E90 has a premium metal and glass build with reinforced hinges that feel sturdy and smooth. It is slightly thicker than the average smartphone, but it feels solid and reliable in your hand. The matte finish on the back gives it a sophisticated look while helping to resist fingerprints. The exterior screen is compact and sharp, allowing you to check messages, control music, or take quick calls without flipping the phone open. Once you open it, the larger internal display and the innovative keyboard light up, creating an almost laptop-like experience in a pocket-sized device. The new Nokia E90 is available in a few elegant colors like graphite silver, midnight blue, and a deep burgundy, giving users some stylish options to choose from. In conclusion, the 2025 Nokia E90 is not just a nostalgia piece, it is a statement. Nokia has taken what made the original E90 so loved and combined it with modern technology and design. It is perfect for professionals who miss the days of real keyboards, or anyone who wants a phone that stands out from the sea of glass slabs. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more cool tech updates here at FKI Phone. See you in the next one. Would you also like a slightly more energetic or casual version, depending on your channel style?